Michael Lukey's here from How to Livable, and today we're going to show you how to reorganize the videos that are in a playlist. So now first you want to find the playlist that you want to reorganize the videos within. You can click on your library or you can look at the newly created playlists that you have. So I'll go ahead and click on Jokes of the Day. Then once you're on the playlist, here's where you can also edit details. You can add in description. You can change the title. I would recommend writing a description. It will help people search and find your playlist. So to sort the videos in your playlist, you click right here on sort, and then you have several different options. You can sort by the date added, how new the video is. You could sort from oldest to newest, most popular, the date published, newest, and date published, oldest. So that just depends on when you publish the video, when the video was published versus how newly it was added to the playlist. That's the difference between date added and date published. So I'm just going to sort it by most popular, and here we go. So the most popular video will be up top, least viewed video will be on the bottom. And that is how to sort and reorganize a playlist within YouTube. If the video was helpful, please give us a like, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber to the How to Livable channel as well. Thanks.